Welcome back. My name is Lauren Hardy and I am your wholesaling coach. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pull a cash buyers list using Propstream. I'm going to actually screen share my actual screen so you can see exactly how I use Propstream, and I'm going to go step by step. I've been using Propstream for years and it's been an amazing tool for me to use to build my cash buyers list. Before I had Propstream in my life, I used to have to beg realtors in my virtual territories to give me MLS access, and it was a hassle to have to do that. Propstream has completely replaced the need for me to have MLS access. Propstream allows you to dive into any market across the nation, and you can pull comps and cash sales and a ton of other data through it. It is so valuable to my business. There are a ton of other uses for Propstream, but in this video specifically, we are going to focus on how to pull a list of cash buyers. So pay attention. I'm going to screen share right now, and I'm going to go step by step so you can see how we do this exactly.
What's up, everybody? Today, I'm going to show you how to pull a cash buyers list on Propstream. So let's go back. I'm going to just keep using Tulsa County as my example. So you would, when you go into Propstream, this is the main page, and you would put the county of interest here. And I want to find all the cash buyers. So Propstream has some quick lists that you can pull. If you want to do just cash buyers, you can do this and keep it really simple. If you want to make sure that you are getting all the residential properties, if you're going after, say, single family, you can go like that. And you want to make sure that you put in that they purchased within a certain amount of time, because you don't need cash buyers that bought 20 years ago. You probably want someone that bought maybe within the last, say, year. So let's say max years of ownership 1. So this is everybody in Tulsa that has purchased properties with cash within the last year, and they're all residential properties. Pretty easy, right? There's other filters if you want to really drill it down to a certain type of home or certain type of home size. I don't typically do that, but you're more than welcome to. But that's exactly it. It's super, super easy. So if at any time you want to change, like if you want to take out cash buyers, just push this X and then you can change to a different type of list. You want to change your county, you can change that here. You can do clear all at any time to clear this little box. You always want to make sure that this box is accurate, and that's it. You would click now to export. I don't want to do it because it's going to take my points away. But if you do this, you're going to add it to a list, and that list is what you're going to export. But if I do that, it will cost me some credit. So I'm not going to do that for you guys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it.
So that's it, guys. I hope you found that valuable. I hope this video tutorial was easy for you to understand. Make sure you click the Propstream link below in the show notes. And if you guys want some free stuff, I've got a free wholesaling mini course. Go to laurenhardyco.com. That's laurenhardyco.com. I've got a free mini course. It's just a sample of what my coaching program is all about. If you are serious about virtual wholesaling, check out my coaching program with Wholesaling Inc. Go to www.virtualinvestingmastery.com and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.